Let me tell you in this video the difference between a 2D polyline and a 3D polyline, because for many of those, even in the CAD world, it is a mystery and the concept is not so clear. A 2D polyline is strictly a 2D geometry which can hold only X and Y elevations in all the vertices of the polyline. In contrast, a 3D polyline can hold X, Y and Z values, which means each vertex of the polyline can have different Z values. So this is exactly what a 3D polyline is. So if you want to survey a piece of land and want to capture the coordinates exactly including elevations, you need to have a 3D polyline. But if you just want to survey and get a flat piece of 2D geometry, then a 2D polyline is enough. Of course, a 2D polyline can be elevated. It can have a fixed elevation. In that case, it's not called as a Z value, but it's the elevation or the fixed plane of the 2D polyline. So normally you can see that sometimes they use contours and those are represented as 2D polylines, but real 3D geometry is in 3D polylines. Now in CADPower and GeoTools, we have a command to convert 2D polylines to 3D polylines. This is required because if you want to capture the Z coordinates, then you first need to convert that 2D geometry into a 3D polyline, and then only you can assign the elevations. So I hope this video clarifies what a 2D and 3D polyline is. If you have any questions, please feel free to get back to me.